Hi, I'm Michelle Pritchard, and I am so excited to share with you guys today my favorite tool in the salon. It's the Beachwaver, and it's gonna make styling your hair at home simple and easy. So I have the Beachwaver here with me, and I just wanted to share with you exactly how this tool works. So down at the bottom is the power button, and this just simply turns the tool on and off. Right above it, you'll see a minus and a plus. This is going to control the heat. Right now we're sitting at about 410, and you can make it a little hotter or a little cooler. Which is an amazing thing because some hair needs a little bit more heat and some hair needs less heat. So you can totally control it there, and you can see exactly how much it's at that time. The part that makes this tool so amazing is found up here. You'll see a great big go button, and then you'll see an L that's highlighted and illuminated in red, and then you see an R on the other side that's not illuminated. So as you hit these two buttons, it's actually gonna go from left, L means left, R means right, and the go button, oh my gosh, makes it spin in a circle. So right now, it's actually spinning towards the, you guessed it, right. And then when I come back over to the L button, which we said was left, it's gonna spin the opposite direction going to the left. Okay, so we're here with the Beachwaver, and we have it set up here. It's on, it's hot, it's ready to go. So now I just need to get my hair sectioned off. So we're just gonna simply put our hair into two different sides, because we established earlier that the Beachwaver has a left side and it has a right side. So when we're on the left side, we're gonna be having the curling iron be on the left side, and we're gonna curl that whole entire left side back and away from the face to give it that perfect beach wave going away from the face. And then the same thing on the right side. So just keeping your hair distributed forward away from your face. Take the left side, so that's the side we're gonna start on, bring it back and away, and just take a small section, bring it straight down. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna clip this section in. So here's the hot tip. The hot tip is we don't wanna go all the way down to the bottom of the hair. We wanna clip it to where there's about an inch and a half left. And then we're gonna clip the hair in, and then we're gonna remove our hand, and then we're gonna hit the go button. Watch this, you guys. It just totally circles up for you. The go stops when you stop hitting the button, and it goes when you're holding it. And you're just gonna hold it for like a couple of seconds and let it straight down, and you have this perfect little wave pattern, i.e. the beach wave. And then you're just gonna keep bringing down about an inch section and doing the same thing. Coming straight down, leaving it about an inch and a half out of the ends, clip in, hit the go button, let it do its thing, stop it just short of hitting your scalp. 2, 3, 4. I mean, in no time, it curls the hair so fast. And then we're gonna take another section, leave about an inch and a half out. So the reason we're leaving the inch and a half out is because a typical beach wave has that little bit of texture to it. And that's what's gonna create the texture, is leaving some of these ends a little straighter throughout the curl. So you can even kind of go in and you can say, oh, this one I'm gonna leave an inch out, the next one I'm gonna leave an inch and a half. That plays with the texture and gives it more of that beach inspired look. So just play with that a little bit. And also, you know, in this, for instance, I'm doing everything away from the face on the left side, just for simplicity. But you could also, with every time you pick up a piece, you could then hit the other button, and you could do one forward, one away, one forward, one away. That's just gonna give it a different type of dimension. So think about the hair being here, and then having a little bit of texture moving in opposite directions. So not wrong, not right, just a different look. So definitely play around with it and see what you like. And you know, every day can be a different day, which is what we love about any tool or any product, right? So, but in this, for instance, we're just gonna keep moving around the head, going in the same direction. So all left on the left. All right, so as you can see, we have the whole left side done. Now we're just going to pick up our wand, hit the right button, and we're going to switch over to the right side and do the exact same thing on the right side. And there you have it. Both have been curled, but now what we really want to do is we want to make sure we don't touch any of the curls until we feel that they're totally cooled. So right now I feel a lot of warmth still on my shoulder, so I just want to make sure that we don't touch them, because if you start to disrupt the curls when they're still really hot or warm, that's going to ensure that the curls fall a lot faster. So the more you don't touch them, the longer they will last. So just let them cool down, and then I'm going to share with you how you can go in and rough up that texture and give it a nice hold from an awesome finishing product. All right, so now the curls have totally cooled, so now we can go in and we can start to shake up and rough up that texture. And you're just gonna bring your fingers through, because we're looking for beachy texture, so we don't want perfect curls. We just want a little bit of wave, a little bit of movement, some volume. I even like to kind of take all my hair and move it away from my face and give yourself a little scalp massage. And then bring it back towards the face. And you can see you just give all that fun movement and fun texture. Now at this point, I'm just gonna go in with a fun finishing spray. In this case, I'm picking up my Shu Uemura because it has a micro mist. And what that means is it's not gonna kind of weigh down the hair, it's gonna go into the hair. So with beach waves especially, you wanna kind of keep them really airy and moving. So that's why we're gonna pick up a micro mist type of hairspray. So make sure you're looking for something like that. And I'm just gonna spray into the hair. So you can see I pick up the hair and kind of let it just float into the hair. We're not looking to spray the whole entire thing. We're looking to spray into the hair. So open it up. And you can see how that just increases that texture, gives you that movement. So here it is, the beach wave that you can enjoy all year long. So thank you so much for watching. This was the beach wave look utilizing my favorite tool, the Beachwaver. For more videos, go over to my website, michellepritchardhair.com, and don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. See you next time.